अच्छा. Good morning, students, and welcome back to my online class once again.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, I'm going to start today's class,
Good morning,
and
sir.
that today's class also very interactive class. I'll be doing on the board, and you will write down. I will leave some space, okay, so that you can write it down. If not, no problem. I'm trying to record today's program, okay, and I will upload that file later on. But let me whether I am successful in this mission or not. Okay, now you all, everybody, look at the board. So it is visible to you all. Okay, now I am in front of you.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
It is not visible.
Not visible.
Board is not visible.
Yes, sir.
It is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, visible.
Sir, visible.
Okay, now question number 3 and 4 I gave you as a homework. I am expecting that you have done it. And if anyone not done, these 3 and 4, please listen carefully. Question number 3 and 4 are very important for exam. Put tick mark right now. Okay, you have to practice a lot. I will upload this answer afterward. Okay, so now question number
11.2.
11.2, question number 5. Question number 5 I am doing. You will note down. So this is related to diagonal only. Very simple. Diagonal of the rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find each area. So this is rhombus. Okay. This is rhombus. This is rhombus. So this one of the diagonal is 7.5. Another diagonal is 12.
Sir, board is not visible.
So 7.5 and another is 12 centimeter. Okay, 12 centimeter. ABCD is the rhombus. Please mute your microphone, otherwise other student will facing problem. Okay, so this is the rhombus. What do you know about the area of the rhombus formula? Another formula was that base into altitude one formula, and another formula is half d1 into
Sir,
d2.
half into D1 into D2.
That is the area of, write down, area of rhombus, RA stand for rhombus, equals to half into d1, okay, into d2. Put their value, half into, what is the value? 12 into 7.5. Cut 6. What is the result? 30, carry 45 centimeter square. Write it down. Write it down.
Sir, board is not
See the board.
Yes, someone, there you go, 3 people again coming in late. 33, 34.
Sir, board is not visible.
Now it is visible.
Board is not visible.
So what can I do? This properly lighted part.
Side is visible. Side is visible. Where is problem? Visible. Don't speak.
Complete your task. So ज़्यादा light होगा तो it will glare. Okay. So complete it. Now question number, I'm coming to question number 6. Find the area of rhombus whose side is this centimeter and altitude is this. Same. This is also rhombus related question, but here we have to apply two formula. Question number 6. This is also one rhombus. Okay. What happens? What information given? Each altitude is given and base is given. Altitude is how much? 4.8. 4.8 centimeter and base is 5 centimeter. So if it is 5 centimeter, okay, one of the diagonal given, how much? 8. diagonal. This is 8 and this one is not given. So whatever the data given, that is a rule you have to write down. Base kitne? Base is equal to 5 centimeter. Altitude how much? Altitude equals to
Sir,
4.
can you please send the picture in WhatsApp because it is not visible clearly?
So now it is okay or not? Altitude is equal to 4.5 centimeter, 4.8 centimeter. So recording part is there. You will come to know. Don't worry. And then
Sir, can I send
D1 is,
picture?
now please don't talk. D1 is how much? What is the value of D1? Longest diagonal is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. D2 question mark. Okay. So what I do, when base and altitude given, I can find out the area. So once I have got the area, after that, if I apply another formula of the diagonal, area will not change. Area will remain same. But this area we have to use for area of the another formula. Okay. From this formula, D2 is equal to what? Twice of area divided by D1. Formula I have given. So formula you have to memorize, I told you. So first area of rhombus,
Sir, can you send the picture
equals
of
to
this in WhatsApp?
base into altitude.
Because
That is base
nothing
is 5,
is visible clearly.
altitude is 4.8 centimeter. That comes to what? That comes to 4. Please quiet. This is not the way to talk. So that comes to what is the area? 24 centimeter square. Now if I apply, therefore D2 is equal to twice into area. Which area? This area by D1. So put the value 2 into 24 by, what is the D2? D2 is D1 is this. Cut. It will be 3.
The board is not visible clearly.
That equals to 6 centimeter. So D2 another diagonal is 6 centimeter. Board is, देखो अभी join कर रहा है कीर्तनिया, अभी join कर रहा है. It is the time to join. Participant how many? So 31, 30, you are cutting, deducting this way. The network is sometimes.
Sir,
Now do it. Complete your work. Ansh, you will not send this type of message. Tell me. You delete this message.
Yes.
33 students. Ansh, please delete that message. From here I will not do. Complete that work. Complete it. So D2 is 6 centimeter. Therefore another diagonal is 6 centimeter. I told you na. I will give you video. I will give you video clip. Now it is.
sir, wait for 2 minutes. Sir, the image is blurry.
No, sir, the
Lower hand.
picture is.
Sir, I am not. The board is not visible.
Wait.
You should change your network.
It is a problem of your network. So Ans, you see, this is, write down. I'm doing it. I'm helping you to write down, complete the work. So D2 is equal to 6 centimeter after calculation I'm getting. D2 is 6 centimeter. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Not clearly visible.
I cannot say. Improve your network. So your voice is saying that your network is not good. Best. Please quiet. I'm going to solve question number 7. Question number 7. I'm leaving it by the
Sir,
time.
can you pronounce
Don't worry, if it is not visible, I will send you video afterward. Okay? I'm recording this program. You just try to write down. If not, I will send video afterward. Question number 7. What is question number 7? You see, question number 7 is the floor of a building consisting 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonal are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the floor at the rate of 4 rupees. That means एक floor है which we have to pave with rhombus shaped tile. Rhombus shaped tiles is diagonals given. So you will find out the area of one tile. Okay. And now how many tiles are required? It is given 3000. So suppose this is rhombus shaped one tile. Okay. Rhombus shaped one tile, diagonal 1 D1 and diagonal 2 D2. This measurement are given. कितने? Diagonal 1, diagonal 2. How many? There 4.45 and 30 centimeter. 45. Longer one is a 45 centimeter and shorter one is a 30 centimeter. Okay. And what is given? Number of tiles. Number of tiles.
3000.
3000. Now listen. Number of tiles 3000. So याद रखोगे. At the end in your book it is given the cost. That time the cost is given in meter square, but your tile is centimeter square. So you cannot. So what to do? Tiles area must be converted into meter square. Okay. After that you have to multiply that by rate. When your rate is there, that means in case of perimeter area, whatever it is there, you need to find out the cost. That means perimeter or area multiplied by rate, you will get the answer. Okay. What is the area of a tile? Area of a rhombus shaped tile. Okay, that is half D1 D2. That will be half into 45 into 30. So 30 and 2 cut 15. So it is coming 45 into 15. That equals to how much? 675 centimeter square. Write down. 675 centimeter square is the area of one rhombus shaped tile. But you have seen it is given in your book to pave the floor. How many tiles are there? 3000 tiles are there. Therefore area of 3000 tiles equals to 3000 multiplied by 675. So it is coming how much? It is coming 2025 then 30 centimeter square. But I have to convert into meter square. Why? Because the rate is given in meter square. I cannot multiply the centimeter square by rate. So that how can I do? Centimeter to meter. What is the distance? 2. That means we have to divide by 100. But centimeter square to meter square, I have to divide it by 100 and 100. दो 100 से divide करना है. That is 2025,000 divided by 100. That is centimeter to meter. Another 100 centimeter square to meter square. Okay. So now 20 cut, 10 cut, 10 cut, 10 cut. It will be 202.5 meters square. So this is your area of the floor. Therefore, cost of polishing Therefore, cost of polishing the floor. So whatever your area is coming, multiplied by 202.5 multiplied by 4. That equals to rupees what?
810.
810
810.
rupees. Understood? Note down. Very important question. Very important question. देखो अभी अटेंड किया. So please do it.
पंचिका फ्री है मम्मा, हमारी क्लास चल रही है.
Please don't talk. Those who are joining late, that will be reported to ma'am, your class teacher. I will report to your class teacher. Why you are late? You are busy. देखो, I have started work from what? 7 minutes past 9, and your class will be till 14. After that, automatically it will be disconnected. Then what will do? Minimum number of questions will be solved. Now, have you written this part? Completed?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
I'm
we are not
grabbing,
able to see the board.
I'm grabbing the top part. Okay. By the time those who are not written, they will write. I'm just top part I'm rubbing. I'm top part I'm rubbing. Okay. Now coming to question number 8. Okay. Question number 8 is very interesting. Diagram is given. Mahan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its sides. Which sides? Parallel sides. Parallels. They are talking about the parallel sides of the trapezium. One parallel side is along the road side, and another side along the river side. This instruction is given. So question number 8. Suppose this is trapezium shaped plot. Mohan likes to purchase. So this is what?
Okay.
This is road side. This is road side. Okay, road side. This is road side. Okay, and this one is river side. This one is river side.
Yes sir.
This one is river side. Condition they are saying कि river side base is twice the road side base. अगर if I am taking this one as x, let the road side parallel side be x, तो river side हो जाएगा 2x. Okay, so and the distance between the two sides, ये जो perpendicular distance है, it is given. How much? Perpendicular distance is 100 meter. 100 meter. Okay, this information is given. बताओ what will be the measure of the parallel side? That means road side कितनी है, river side कितनी है. This measurement is how much? This measurement is how much? So इसमें लिखना है पहले, let the road side, let the measure of road side be x. Okay, therefore river side equals to 2x. So road side is the x, this parallel side is the x, and river side will be 2x. So your two parallel side you have got, altitude is given 100 meter between the two parallel side, the gap is 100 meter, altitude is given. Now apply the formula. What will be the area? You know, when parallel sides are given, what is the area of the trapezium when parallel sides are given? So you see, therefore area of trap shaped plot is equal to half sum of parallel sides into altitude. altitude or height same thing. Altitude and heights are same thing. Okay? Please, mute your microphone. It is making noise. So now half into one parallel side is x, other parallel side is 2x, and your altitude is 100 meter. So if I cut it by 100, then it will be 50. Okay, and it is 3x, x plus 2x, 3x into 50, and it is coming what? 350, 150x. Interesting part is there. At the end I am talking. He has given you the clue about the area of the plot also. What is the area of the plot? Area of the plot, on the top you write down area of plot. It is given. What is the area of the plot? 10,500 meters. 10,500 meters square. This is the area. So you have got the area 150x, and textbook it is given the area is 10500 meters square. Both are correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you simple equation established. Therefore, your 150x should be equals to 10500 meters square. Or if you don't write, no problem. Itne? Or x equals to 10500 divided by 150. It will be 150.
X is equals to 7.
So you cut. Then how many zeros are there? 50. 50x.
The 7.
15. So it is
Sir,
given.
7.
What is the area it is given?
The 70.
100 meters square, 15. So after cutting I am getting 17. So that equals to 17.
210.
So what was 17? Which was x? That is your
Sir, 70.
17 is what? 17 किसके लिए है? Your road side. Road side parallel side is
Road
17. River side will be
There's 7.
twice. Therefore, road side.
Sir, it is 70.
So road.
There it is 7070.
After cutting, how much? 70. Yes.
Sir, it is
Yes, 17
Yes,
is
yes.
70.
You are talking 70. So 70 meter. So road side parallel side equals to 70 meter, and river side parallel side, river
70.
side parallel side is 2 into 70, that is 140 meter. So you have got the measure of two parallel side of the trapezium shaped plot from this calculation. Understood? Complete it quickly. I can do one more question. Time is running out. 5 minutes left.
Sir, done. Yes, sir.
Acha. Those who have not done, they can copy it from afterward also. Clear? So question number 9. Now listen, if by chance this connection is disconnected due to timeout, so I will complete the task, okay, and afterward I will send you video. So you will complete it from video. So let me finish it quickly.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Recording I will do. So now here.
Sir, I'm not able to see anything clearly, but I'll complete the work when you send the video.
ओके ना उनके ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करना. दिस इज अ टेंडेंसी कि सम होके सार तो भेजेगा, अभी सुनने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. नो, ट्राई टू डू इट. इफ इट इज नॉट देयर, सम रेट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इज देयर, you have to be ready for this. Okay, now question number this figure 9, question number 9. So this is an octagon, regular octagon. What is the meaning of regular? Quadrilateral आपने पढ़ के आया. What is the meaning of regular octagon?
All side equal.
All side equal, only this condition. Another condition is not there.
Sir, 8-sided.
8 sides are equal.
Octagon means 8 sided, it does not matter. But what is the salient features of regular word? The word regular, ये मैं क्वेश्चन पहले भी सेट किया था, क्लास 10
Sir,
में भी
all
सेट किया
sides
था.
are equal and angles are equal.
Yes.
Sir,
All
angles are
sided angles are equal.
Understood.
Sir, all
अभी
sides and angles are
अभी
equal.
कैसे आया ये
Sir,
आंसर?
all sides and
All sides equal, it is not the only criteria. All sides equal and all interior angle having equal in measure, then it will be regular. Okay. So they are saying regular octagon. You draw an octagon. Draw an octagon. This is one side equal. This is also equal. This is also equal. This is regular octagon. By the time छोटा हो गया थोड़ा shape. So they are showing to this side one end to this end equals to how much? This one end to one end is 11 meter. 11 meter. Altitude from here it is 4 meter. Okay, 4 meter. And his side measure is 15 meter. All will be 5 meter. 15 मीटर. आपको ये ऑक्टागन का एरिया निकलना है. मैंने ऑक्टागन का एरिया का कोई फॉर्मूला आपको दिया नहीं दिया ना. So when it is there, what you will do? You will divide the formula into 2-3 parts such a way so that you can apply one formula. Understood? So I will divide this again. Since it is octagon, whatever the area of this part will same as area of this part, and this will be what? Rectangle. So the octagon equals to 2 trapezium, 1 and 2, and 1 rectangle. If I find out the area and add it, it will be the area of the regular octagon. Understood? So I am doing it. You see, area of octagon. लिखोगे area of octagon regular. Sorry, regular word should be there. नहीं तो question incomplete. Area of regular octagon equals to
area of
2 into area of 2 into area of 2 trapezium. Area of 2 into लिखने चाहिए area of 2 trapezium 2 trap you write down trap short form trapezium plus
regular.
area of rectangle. So what is the area of 2 trapezium? 1 trapezium is equal to half sum of the parallel side. Directly I am writing sum of the parallel sides. What? Parallel sides are this one is what? 5. So AB 5 is all 5 and this one is 11. So 5 plus 11. What is the height given? Height is 4 meter. Okay. So that multiplied by 2 again because there are 2 trapezium plus 1 rectangle. Rectangle is how much? 11 into 5. 11 into 5. 11 into 5. So now half and this 2 cut. So I am getting 11 plus this 16 into 4 plus 55. So that equals to 16 4 is 64 and plus 55. What is the coming? 55. It comes to 115. That is 5 and this 19. 119 meters square. Answer is 119 meters square. 119 meters square. Please note down it quickly. So I have completed question number 9. And what is left? Question number 10 and 11 are left. Okay.
So 10 and 11 is left.
So time is out. I'm recording the recording part also there. So I will send it later on. So I have done till question number 10. Okay. So students. So attendance
Sir,
is.
please send.
I will send later on, not now. I have to complete it. So time is out. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
what is this?
Sir, attendance.
Attendance is what attendance? What are you talking? I don't understand. Attendance, those who are giving attendance, I will give them. Attendance already it is registered. Understood? Video is complete. I will send you later on. Okay, next class will be on. Your next class will be on tomorrow. Your next class will be on tomorrow. Last period, third period. Okay, get ready for that. By this time, bye bye students.